Hey mathematicians, today I'm going to show you how you can change the formatting of some of your data in order to make it arrange a little bit easier, count a little bit easier for your charts and graphs. So if you look at my column here where it says favorite candy type, you can see I have sour listed here with a capital S and sour listed here with a lowercase s. So if I wanted to change that so it was all lowercase, I could highlight this column by clicking the A. I'm going to hold down Control and hit the letter H. That brings up my replace menu. So I want it to find capital S sour and replace it with lowercase s sour. This is telling me to search for a specific range, and this is just the column that I clicked, so I don't have to change anything about this. But I do want it to say match case because I care about changing the uppercase versus lowercase. So then I'm going to click replace all, and you can see it replaced one instance. You do need to be careful because if anything else had an uppercase sour inside of it, it would replace it with a lowercase sour. So where it says non-sour gummy, if one of those had a capital S, it would change that as well. Now let's look at favorite candy. Maybe I need to fix my Snickers, so I'm going to find lowercase Snickers and change it to uppercase Snickers, match case, replace all. It said it didn't have any found. Oh, I need to change my range, that's why. So I just changed it to be B, but you can also do that by exiting and clicking on column B. Replace all, it changed two of them. If I wanted to change dum-dums, maybe I want to put a hyphen in between them, like that. I'm still in column B. I'm not going to worry about matching case. That way it finds the lowercase and uppercase dum-dums. Type it in without the hyphens so I can get the hyphens. And then if I want it to match entire cell contents, that would mean like it has to match exactly. Nothing else is in there. I'm going to deselect that. And I'm going to click replace all. And it changed it. So all of the dum-dums became dum-dums with a hyphen in them. So Control H will allow you to find data and replace it with whatever you want. You just got to be careful to make sure that you're not accidentally editing other cells that might contain the same information.